welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. As I told you previously, I had ordered some lighting material from Amazon and it has reached today. It was supposed to come on Friday, but it came as an early delivery. So today in this episode, we'll be unboxing this and checking out what are the products which we get along with it. So let's start. Okay guys, so we are going to unbox this. First we will take out the seller over here. So I think this one is a stand, so we'll wait for just cutting the seller. First we will unbox the stand over here. Okay, cutting it over here. There's one over here. Okay, that's been done. So what we have here is one stand, a lighting umbrella, and the bracket to fix over here. So let's keep this aside. And open this. Been opened. So what's in this box? Okay, this is the light. See, there's the bulb over here. So what we can do now is we'll quickly go ahead and assemble all these and we'll see how it works out. Okay, I'll be right back now. so I've just unboxed and assembled the light over here. Now the only lights on over here is none of the tube lights are on like where I used to shoot with them before, or none of the LEDs are on. The only two lights which are on is the light which I assembled now and my ring light which I am using to go ahead and take the videography. So these are the only two lights on now at the moment. So let me know in your comments like how good this has come out now. Until next time, if you do like this video, please like and subscribe for it. And I've also left the link below for the same light. If you wish to go ahead and get an inexpensive light for your home, you can go ahead and try that out. And this comes with a 1000-watt bulb in this, plus the bulb holder, plus the bulb bracket, and also with the umbrella, the white umbrella, to give a dimming effect also. It doesn't have a softbox at the moment, but you can purchase it separately, softbox, in case you want to go ahead and reduce the light or dim the light, or else you can go and buy different watts of halogen bulbs like 100 watts, 200 watts, 500 watts. It's up to you. So you can do that. I'll put the link down below, and it's an affiliate link of my channel. So if you go ahead and buy that, I will be getting a commission from Amazon. So if you can do that, that'd be appreciated. I can appreciate you for that. And apart from that, if you do like the video, please like and subscribe so that I can go ahead and make more videos like this. Until next time, you have a wonderful day. Thank you for coming to Kamal Tech Vlogs.